You're looking at a very nice 2002 titled custom motorcycle. This bike was built as a fundraiser for veterans. All the parts were donated by various different bike dealers and parts dealers throughout the Twin Cities area. It has a 1999 dated Evolution motor with a big bore kit done to it, 5-speed transmission, nice chrome work. The frame is a 2002 frame. This bike was built in 2012 and it was auctioned off with all the proceeds going to veterans. Since then, the bike has been bought and sold twice. The gentleman that has it now just he's getting up there in age, wants to go to a trike, so he's putting it back up for sale. Someone's going to get a very nice buy on a very affordable bike. As you can see, we'll get the mileage up here. There's 14,900 miles on the entire build. It's been well taken care of. There's one small little ding there. Other than that, it's a good bike. A few small rock chips up front in the fender. Let's fire this thing up for you so you can get a good feel of what it's like.